Welcome to the Professional Silver Thiosulfate Spray Guide for Feminized Seed Production. Today, you'll learn to master the art of plant breeding with laboratory-grade precision. Stop buying seeds forever and start your journey with the Organic Gardener's Lab. Why choose silver thiosulfate over colloidal silver? STS is the professional choice. It is highly stable, requires significantly fewer applications, and provides consistent results in sex reversal. While colloidal silver is a hobbyist method with lower stability, STS is the industry standard for commercial breeding.
To begin, you'll need essential gear. Mandatory PPE includes a respiratory mask, safety goggles, and latex gloves. Your laboratory supplies must include silver nitrate, sodium thiosulfate, a precision scale, and distilled water. Remember, silver nitrate will stain skin and clothing black. Handle it with extreme care. Here are the ingredients for a halved batch. For Part A, dissolve 0.5 grams of silver nitrate into 500 milliliters of distilled water. For Part B, dissolve 3.9 grams of sodium thiosulfate into 500 milliliters of distilled water. Always use distilled water to prevent chemical precipitation.
The mixing process is critical. First, measure your stock solutions precisely. Second, slowly add Part A into Part B while stirring. Finally, dilute the mixture with distilled water at a 1:3 ratio. A standard 240 milliliter spray bottle mix uses 30 milliliters of Part A, 30 milliliters of Part B, and 180 milliliters of distilled water. Never reverse the order. Always add A to B. Join our community at the Organic Gardener's Lab. Subscribe to unlock advanced breeding secrets, organic mastery guides, and never miss a lesson. We are empowering home breeders with professional-grade botanical knowledge. Click subscribe and join the lab today.
Proper storage is key to chemical stability. Stock solutions A and B last up to 6 months in a refrigerator using light-proof glass bottles. However, the mixed AB solution only lasts 1 month and its potency drops rapidly. Only mix what you need for the cycle, as light and heat are the primary enemies of STS. Follow this professional spraying regimen. Apply the spray every 4 days to maintain consistent ethylene blocking. Spray just before the dark cycle to maximize absorption. Your first application must occur 48 hours before switching to 12-12. Remember to flip the donor plant 14 days before receivers to sync pollen release. This is a critical safety warning. Do not consume any part of a plant sprayed with STS solution. Silver ions are systemic and render the plant material toxic for ingestion or smoking. Treated plants are for seed production only, never for harvest. Clearly mark donor plants to prevent accidental consumption.
Let's look at troubleshooting. Signs of failure include a brownish-gray solution or no reversal, often due to contamination or missing a dose. Signs of success include stunted growth as the plant shifts hormones, male primordia forming at the nodes, and finally, pollen release, appearing 3 to 4 weeks after the first spray. Here's your STS batch summary checklist. Ensure your safety gear is on. Your halved stock should be 0.5 grams of A and 3.9 grams of B in 500 milliliters of water each. Mix 30 milliliters of A and B with 180 milliliters of distilled water. Spray every 4 days, starting 48 hours before the flip. Coming soon in Part 2, we will cover harvesting and storing feminized pollen. Now that you've mastered the spray, learn to collect and preserve your genetic legacy. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the Organic Gardener's Lab. Ready to reverse? Let's grow!